So you finally found a house to buy in Fairfield County. Did you know we have a two-step process? Hi everybody, I'm Judy Mitchell with William Pitt Sotheby's Realty, and today we're talking about step one of the two-step process to make an offer on a house in Fairfield County. Step one is the binder of sale. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this document. It's something that doesn't happen in every town, so I think it's important to explain it. The binder of sale is generally a deal term sheet, but it's a binding deal term sheet. And what you do is you write down all the terms of the deal, how much you want to pay for the house, how much money you want to put down, how much money you want to finance, and then when you'd like to close, when you'd like to do your inspections, and when you'll get your mortgage commitment by. So these are really important dates to the deal, and they all get detailed on this binder of sale. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about that, and then also what gets submitted to the seller when you're ready to write this binder. In addition to going all through this document, signing it, having all the terms that you want to make sure that you also have your pre-approval lined up, ready to submit to the seller, so they can see that either proof of funds or mortgage pre-approval. And then also you want to write a check for the good faith deposit. That's generally 1% of the asking price or 1% of the offering price of the house. So everything gets detailed and gets submitted, and that's going to put you in the very best possible light to get the house that you want. Part two in making an offer on a house in Fairfield County where you're using a binder is to negotiate from the binder. Generally, your agent is going to negotiate those terms either verbally or on email. And once you have come to terms with the seller, you agree on a price and you agree on terms, everything is going to be re-detailed in that binder. You're going to sign off on that and resubmit it for the counter signature of the seller. And once that happens, you're actually going to get into the part two, which is to go through the inspection process and actually move to contract. The contract is going to be generated by the seller's attorney, and that's going to be given to your buyer's attorney. You're going to review all of that, and that's really the second part that gives you the opportunity to really cement that deal for the house that you want. So you're really only 2 steps away from finding your dream house, making an offer, and getting it accepted. This is really kind of special to Fairfield County. I'm an agent right here in Fairfield County. Me and my team can help you out with any questions that you may have about making an offer, writing an offer, negotiating an offer. But either way, we're here to get you to your dream house.